welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today you join me on my cfmoto. This is probably going to be a quick short or something, because I'm just testing out my new DJI Osmo Action 4 camera, which is currently on the front of the bike. The good things about DJI cameras, my current GoPro 12 is on the helmet. I've had a few problems with that camera, it crashing, or not taking a charge. It's somewhat flawed with it. So yeah, we're trying a new one out. It's reasonably cheap on the Amazon Black Friday month. Certainly not a Black Friday weekend anymore. Yeah, so we'll just try it out. Just leaving Highworth now. Lovely winter. What time is it? Afternoon in December. Last video I spoke about my new gold top gloves, winter gloves, and so far I'm very impressed with them. They are a little bit thick, but they're not too bad. Very warm, seem very good quality, so we'll see how we get on. The other good thing about the DJI Action camera is I can connect my DJI mini mic up directly to it, so I don't need the transmitter anymore. So hopefully the audio's coming through well. We'll see about that on the edit. I'm just about to cross the River Thames and enter Letchlade. Look at that. They've really gone to town with the Christmas decks. Into the sun, lovely. Can't see a lot now. I really can't see the road. A bit dodgy that. just coming into Welford. This is a pretty little village, typical Cotswold village. We could be here some time. You can't do that on the Enfield 350. I think I'll wrap it up here. Hopefully the camera footage is good. Like I said, it was just a test. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the Gloucestershire villages and whilst I was out and about. Anyway, take care, have a good week. I'll catch you on the next one.